In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Skool community group price. Whether you're looking to adjust your existing pricing model or introduce a new one, understanding these steps will ensure that your community group pricing accurately reflects the value you provide. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Skool account. This is your portal to managing your community and customizing its settings, so having access here is a critical step. Once you're logged in, navigate to your community page that you manage. This will be your starting point for making any changes to your group's configuration. Next, look for the Settings section. It's usually located at the top of your community management page, providing easy access to all the options you have to tailor your community to suit your goals and needs. After clicking on Settings, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. From this menu, select Pricing. This will bring up all current information related to how your community members are billed and what they see when they consider joining. Now take a moment to consider what pricing model suits your community best. Skool offers a variety of options to cater to different kinds of value propositions. You could choose a subscription model, which allows for either monthly or annual payments. This is ideal for communities that provide ongoing value, encouraging continuous membership. Another option is the freemium model, an enticing choice if you wish to offer basic features for free while reserving premium content for paid members. If you have features that cater to different levels of user engagement, tiered pricing could be the way to go. Lastly, a one-time payment model could be an attractive option if your offering is a comprehensive package or course. Once you've determined your optimal pricing strategy, it's time to put it into action. Add a new price or edit an existing one according to your chosen model. Skool makes this process quite intuitive. After entering the relevant details, there's a three-dot menu, often called an ellipsis, located next to the new price you've added. Click on these three dots to bring up additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Make Current. This finalizes your changes, setting the new price as the default for all future members who join your community. Make sure to review your changes for accuracy, as this will ensure a seamless experience for both you and your prospective members. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Skool community group price. This setup not only allows for flexibility, but also ensures that your pricing aligns with your community's values and goals. Whether you're adapting to market demands or offering new content, Skool provides the flexibility you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.